Respect by Miss Fadela, SSMPT. My name is Adeli Gunardiana with a student ID number 642251305. Here I will share my opinion entitled The Ban on Smoking on Campus. Before I share my opinion on this topic, I would inform you that I I am from to Bina Sarana Informatika Cengkareng branch. On my campus, is written ban on smoking on campus, but are individuals who violate it and fail to respect the rule. If there is a rule, we must obey and respect it because smoking is easily. If there is a rule, we must obey and respect it because smoking is a disease that easily transmit from ourselves and others. It can damage various parts of our bodies, and those who inhale it can develop conditions such as asthma and shortness of breath. I hope that in the future everyone will realize that rules exist for a reason, and the main goal is to maintain a healthy environment for students so they can breathe fresh air. I will explain what the present continuous tense is. Here I will explain what the definition of the present continuous. The present continuous is a verb tense that indicates that an action or condition is happening now, occurs frequently, and might continue in the future. This tense added the energy and action to the writing, and its effect is to help the reader understand when the action is happening. This tense is important in English because it shows the reader what is happening now, occurs frequently, or will happen in the future. Example of time adverbs: now, right now, at the moment, currently, today, this week, this month, this year. Characteristic present continuous. The main characteristic of the present continuous tense is the use of a basic verb. Verb 1, added with the suffix ing. Verb ing processed by to be am is are, which is addressed to the subject. This tense is used to express an activity that is currently taking place, a temporary activity, or a definite future plan. Sentence formula 1. Positive. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object adverb. 2. Negative. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb ing object or adverb. 3. Interrogative. Am is are plus subject plus verb ing plus object adverb. Bentuk be berdasarkan pronouns dan nouns. Subjek I, aku atau saya, we, kami atau kita, you, kamu atau kalian, they, mereka. Plural object, subjek jamak, she, dia, perempuan, he, dia laki-laki, it, dia benda atau hewan. Singular object atau subjek tunggal. Be-nya I am, we are, you are, they are, she is, he is, it is. Pronounsnya first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person plural, plural object, third person singular, singular object. Characteristic present continuous. Use of verb ing. The main characteristic is the addition of the ending ing to the basic verb. Use of the to be am is are. The word to be used depends on the subject of the sentence. I plus am, he, she, it plus is, you, we, they plus are. Main function 1. Declaring an ongoing action. I am having lunch or he is watching TV. 2. Describing a temporary action that is taking place around the present time, although not at the time of speaking. John is going out with Mary. 3. Declaring definite plans for the future. We will meet them tomorrow. 4. Describing an ongoing change or development. The world population is increasing very rapidly. Positive sentence in the present continuous tense. The subject in a sentence is usually a pronoun or a noun. There are three types of pronouns based on point of view. First person, I, me and we, us. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, and they. Three are also two types of pronouns and nouns based on number singular and plural. In the first person, I is singular and we is plural. In the third person, she, he, it is singular and they is plural. In the second person, both singular and plural forms are you. The meaning of you as you and you as you depends on the context. Kalimat positif, subject plus be, MR is plus present participle or ing plus complement. Negative sentence in the present continuous tense. Since the name itself is a negative sentence, the main characteristic of this sentence is the presence of the word not between be and the verb ing. So the from is subject, MR is plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Rumus kalimat negatif present continuous tense. Subject plus be, MR is plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. B, MR is not plus verb ing plus complement. Yes or no integrative equation for question that can be answered yes or no. You can simply write B. MR is followed by the subject and verb plus ing at the beginning of the sentence, so the formula is B. MR is plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Rumus kalimat integratif yes or no question present continuous tense. B. MR is subject verb ing complement. B. MR is subject I, you, we, they is she, it plus verb ing plus complement plus integratif. Another example of the present continuous. Example of positive sentence. 1. I am watching Netflix. 2. Andini is riding a bicycle. 3. They are dancing in the rain. Example of negative sentence. 1. I'm not watching Netflix. 2. Andini is not riding a bicycle. 3. Are not dancing in the rain. Example of integrative sentence. 1. I watching Netflix. 2. Is Andini riding a bike. 3. Are they dancing in the rain.